Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design.
Here I would like to explore this pendrive metal cover in 3D, and this is a sheet metal design. Approx overall dimensions in mm 30.2 by 12.3 by 4.6, and this is a 0.3 thick stainless steel or chrome steel sheet metal design. Sheet metal partition profile is shown as a scaled sketch, and there is a logo embossing and text debossing. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real and actual pick. First and foremost, on the front plane, let's draw a center point rectangle by locking it to origin and added dimensions of 30.2 and 12.3 so that it's fully defined. The completed first sketch. Then extruded it symmetrically to a depth of 4.6 to form the main solid body. Then hollowed the main solid body by removing the top and bottom faces to an overall wall thickness of 0.3. And verifying it with model cross-section view. Then on this left vertical planar face, I would like to draw a new sketch. A new sketch drawn which is fully defined with all the dimensions shown. This sketch is to add a very small thin cut on the left side of the hollow body. Weaving the completed rib sketch with a red color. Then created a very small cut of width 0.05 symmetrically by using the previously drawn open sketch. Cut is linked to wall thickness only on left with a tiny gap of 0.05. Weaving the separated splitted faces on the left. Then let's convert the solid body into a sheet metal body with the front face as fixed and with a bend radius of 0.1. Then weaving the converted sheet metal body with its 4 corner bend radiuses. Drawn a new sketch, a rectangle of 2.6 by 1.75 with corner rounds of 0.2. Then created a through-hole cut which cuts on both shorter sides of metal cover. Then on the front face, sketched a circle of dia 7.5 at a height of 22 from bottom. Then made a circular cut of depth 0.1 on front face. Let's add a HP logo embossing on the circular cut. Then inserted and scaled the logo picture and sketched the HP logo with shown dimensions. The HP logo sketch with the picture perfectly matching the circular cut. Then created the HP logo embossing to perfectly match the front face. Added a sketch text 16 GB with Arial font on the front face. The 16 GB text debossing to a depth of 0.05 on the front face. And let's view the sheet metal flat pattern or development. This is eventually sent to laser cutting to manufacture. A short description and reference picture for laser cutting. And ultimately the 2D detailing is here with orthogonal views, main dimensions and flat pattern view. Material applied is alloy steel SS and mass calculated is 2.2 grams. The final 3D model download link is provided in the description. My 3D certifications. I do 2D and 3D workshops for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.